Welcome to foralarmclocks.com. Today we're going to introduce the Equity by Lacrosse extra large display electric LED alarm clock with 3-inch numerals. This clock features extra large 3-inch red LED display numerals. The alarm has both a high and a low setting. The LED has a dimmer with a high and low setting. It uses high contrast font, so it's extra easy to see. It's got PM and alarm indicators. It is electric, uses standard UL listed 110 volt operation. It does include a backup battery, and as you can see, for somebody that's visually impaired or needs big numbers, this is the clock for you. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and just show you how the dimmer, if you didn't like it so bright, you can simply turn it to the brightness you want. Has a really large snooze button. Very basic, simple clock, but beautiful LED design and lights. There's your alarm indicator, your AM PM indicator. Right now it's on AM. Perfect product for somebody that just wants simplicity and something easy to see. Made by Lacrosse, Equity by Lacrosse, an excellent company, excellent products, devotion to quality. And what we're going to do next is let you hear the alarm. Okay, okay, there's the loud alarm setting, and you also have a little bit softer alarm setting if you didn't want it so loud. Loud, soft, of course the dimmer. Quality by Equity by Lacrosse.